What's up, everybody? It is Epic Slasher here, and today I'm going to be playing. Well, not playing. I'm going to be showing you how to type words on a command block in Minecraft. PE. So here's how you're going to do it. Wrong thing. So I'm just going to create a new world. Hi. Creative. Continue. I'm just going to create a new world. I'm going to flip it over. So, yeah. So, okay, in a couple minutes. My friend said he wanted to play the Xbox. So, here's what I'm going to do. So, I'm going to fly to an open area because this whole area is, like, not open. So let's just go over here. So first you need to do is grab a command block by typing -give your name. So mine's Deathzilla, and then type COMMAND_BLOCK. You will receive a command block. So I'm going to place it in the ground. Okay, so you have to put -title @p_title and type what you want to say. So Epic Slasher. Epic Slasher, yeah. So then you do that. I'm going to grab a pressure plate, squat down, put the pressure plate on, and let's put our favorite animal on. A chicken. And in 3, and 2, and 1. Epic Slasher. So yeah, you can do it in any one. It doesn't matter. Spawn as many chickens as you want. Keep typing Epic Slasher. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. And this is just a how-to. So